What if the reason you're exhausted, gaining weight, losing hair, and feeling off for years isn't stress, isn't age, and isn't in your head, but a tiny gland in your neck the size of a walnut that nobody ever told you to pay attention to? Most people walk around for a decade with a broken thyroid and never find out. Today, I'm going to show you 15 signs your body is screaming at you right now, and most of them you can see without a single doctor's visit. Your thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland sitting low on your neck, just above your collarbone. It controls how fast or slow basically everything in your body runs: your heartbeat, your body temperature, how your skin heals, how your hair grows, even how clearly you think. When it slows down, you slow down. Every system in your body starts coasting instead of running. And here's the cruel part. The symptoms are so ordinary that most people blame themselves instead of asking the right question. Before we get into the 15 signs, here's a quick test you can do right now. Get a glass of water and stand in front of a mirror. Tilt your head back slightly, take a sip, and watch the base of your neck, just above the collarbone, as you swallow. A healthy thyroid is invisible. If you see a lump or a bulge move as you swallow, that's your thyroid, and it's bigger than it should be. That's called a goiter. It means something is pushing your gland to grow, and that something needs to be checked. Your skin is constantly renewing itself. Old cells shed, new ones push up from underneath. That process depends entirely on thyroid hormone to run the enzymes that make it happen. When the thyroid slows down, those enzymes slow down too. Dead skin cells pile up. The natural oils that hold your skin together dry out. The result is skin that feels rough, looks cracked, and doesn't respond to any moisturizer. Because the problem isn't on the surface, it's in the machinery underneath. There's a documented medical case of a woman in her early 40s whose palms and soles became so thick over just 3 months that it was changing the actual shape of her hands. The buildup of keratin had gone completely out of control. After 9 months of thyroid treatment, her hands returned to completely normal. This isn't cosmetic. When the root cause is fixed, the body repairs itself. Hair and nails are both made of roughly 90 to 95% keratin. So when your thyroid is struggling, they both take a hit at the same time. What happens to your hair is particularly sneaky. Too many hair follicles enter their resting phase simultaneously. Then, a few months later, they all fall out at once. You'll notice it most along your part line or at the crown. Your nails get brittle, develop vertical ridges, and in some cases start lifting away from the nail bed with a chalky white or yellowish discoloration. Look at your eyebrows in the mirror right now. Focus on the outer third, closest to your temples. If that section has thinned out or disappeared entirely while the inner part looks normal, that's called Hertoghe's sign. It's one of the most quietly telling clues a thyroid can leave on your face, and most people assume it's just genetics or overplucking. It's not always. Sometimes it's your thyroid. We're not talking about the puffiness after a rough night's sleep. This is something different, a firm, doughy swelling, especially around the eyes, that's there every single morning and doesn't move. It comes from a jelly-like substance called mucin building up. When your thyroid is underactive, your body overproduces this gel and deposits it just under the skin. It feels almost gelatinous when you press it gently. It doesn't pit the way water retention does, and it doesn't get better with rest. Here's a quick test. Put the backs of your hands together, wrists bent at a sharp angle, and hold that for 60 seconds. If you feel tingling, numbness, or pain shoot into your fingers, that's a sign of carpal tunnel. Up to 5% of carpal tunnel cases are directly linked to an underactive thyroid. That same mucin buildup presses on the median nerve at your wrist. When the thyroid problem gets treated, the symptoms often resolve completely. No surgery required. You know that person who's wearing a sweater in July? When you used to run warm and now you're always cold? That's your metabolism slowing down. Your cells burn fuel to create both energy and heat. When thyroid hormone drops, your cells go into conservation mode. If your palms look slightly orange or yellowish, and you haven't been eating bags of carrots, your thyroid could be the reason. Normally, your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A using a specific enzyme. When thyroid function is low, that enzyme slows down. Thyroid hormone directly affects brain chemistry, specifically serotonin and dopamine. When levels drop, so do these messengers. The result looks almost identical to clinical depression: flat mood, brain fog, no drive, and a bone-deep exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix. This is why any honest evaluation for new depression should include a thyroid test. Treating the mood without checking the thyroid is like replacing a fuse without asking why it blew. For women, an underactive thyroid often shows up in the menstrual cycle. Heavier bleeding, unpredictable timing, worse cramps. Women with undiagnosed thyroid problems also frequently have a harder time getting pregnant. If something shifted without explanation, a thyroid panel is a simple test. The most common thyroid symptoms aren't dramatic. They're boring. Constant tiredness, constipation, slow weight gain. These get written off as stress or aging. People see many specialists when one TSH blood test could have answered everything in 24 hours. If several of these signs felt familiar, the fading outer brows, the cracked skin, the hair in the drain, the cold hands, the exhaustion, the weight that won't move, please bring it up with your doctor and ask for a TSH test. It's inexpensive, it's fast, and it can explain years of feeling like something is wrong with you, when the truth is something was wrong with a gland that's completely treatable. Hypothyroidism is one of the most reversible conditions in medicine. A small daily pill, the right dose, and most people describe feeling like themselves again for the first time in years. Don't wait another decade to find out.